Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to use Wix dynamic pages. This is a massive game changer for anyone managing a lot of content, like a portfolio, a product catalog, or a directory, because it allows you to create hundreds of pages with just one single design. The steps are logically connected to help you scale your site instantly. First, you need to set up your data source. Go to your Wix dashboard, open the CMS, formerly Content Manager, and create a new collection. Think of this like a built-in spreadsheet where each row is a new item and each column is a piece of info, like a title, image, or description. Once you have added your data, click on the three dots next to your collection name and select Add Dynamic Page. Next, Wix will ask if you want a link page to list all your items or an item page for the individual details. Let's start with the item page. Wix will automatically generate a new page layout that relates directly to your collection. Now, here's the magic part. When you add a text or image element to this page, you'll see a small Connect to Data icon. Click that and link the element to the corresponding column in your collection. The final connected step is the automatic generation. Because this page is dynamic, you only design it once. If you have 50 items in your collection, Wix automatically creates 50 unique URLs using that same design, but each page will pull the specific info for that item. If you update the text in your collection, the page updates automatically without you ever opening the editor. That is literally it. You just built a scalable content engine. If this quick guide helped you understand Wix CMS better, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point software tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to add filters to your dynamic list pages next, and I will see you in the next video.